Okay, right. Let's start this thing. Welcome. So, Nas, watch the previous video to understand the continuation of this analysis as promised that I'm going to break down. So, we are currently looking at a daily structural support. Obviously, you can see that price came down there and started buying. Actually, found two, if not three buy positions for this week, which, if I remember, one of them was stopped out. The two of them, or rather, two of those were successful. Let me see if I can be able to go to the profile. So if we start with this one, this was a tight buy on 4 Jan. You can see there. This one never got stopped out, went nicely, successfully. The second one was this one, another buy again. This one went to TP3, it never went to TP4. So TP1, TP2, TP3. This is coming from 6 Jan, which was actually yesterday. And then the other one, oil, this one was stopped out, okay, terribly. And then we also had this one, which was the NZD USD, never got stopped out, still in profit as I speak. This one is from last night. Yes, it's still there. We almost got stopped out on this particular one. This is from last night. I just published it again now. You can see it says 6 minutes ago there. So sell it. Yes, that's the NZD. So it's a signal if you're watching this now, and I'm releasing this video now. So okay, moving forward, a possible buy on this particular guy. I know a whole bunch of people are probably using trend lines to look at this. Maybe a trend line coming from here, and maybe you're looking for a buy as soon as this sort of trend line is broken and retested. That is one thing. But I personally would like to see a push down to this particular area, at least 12,600, somewhere around that point. That's where I'd like to sort of look for opportunities to buy. So should we see a spike down, quick spike? I'm going to be looking for opportunities to buy from here back to the upside, okay? Because I wouldn't be too confident buying this unless if this thing decides to break out and then comes back, and then yes, that is the possibility that I would look out for. However, we sort of broke out of the resistance structure and we are currently sitting above it. So I'd like to get like sort of a stop hunt move followed by that move. That will be super nice. Of course, this will be, the interests are going to be shared on the private members groups. That's where I'm going to post this as soon as I get that particular set up. That's just a quick update coming from me. Otherwise, let's shut this thing down. Should you have any question, drop it down in the comment section, or there's a WhatsApp link. Do send me a WhatsApp. Otherwise, smash a like button and don't forget to subscribe. So that's what we're gonna be looking at. Buys, of course, induced by this daily structural support, as I've discussed before on the previous video. Go ahead and check them out in order to understand that. Otherwise, sharp.